I will show the difference between the ring light and normal light. This is my normal light in this room. I am going to switch on my ring light. New ring light. This is the first light. You can see the difference. How much it is illuminated. I am going to switch on the second light. Yes. You can see the difference. You can now do reels, shorts, everything in very good light. Just for 200 rupees. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel. Please share to your friends. The link to buy this ring light is available just in this description box of this video. Thank you.